Kaseng Kongres kepadon hakaliang Pyrshah hakiyong dorbar tawan ha Meghalaya hakasibalang jong katayaw kala khalibyang ye Jingkynnoh Bamsap Pyrshah ye Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance na Jingkynnoh ye skim bapher jong Tnad penmi Bording jala habadawa artan ba Sorkar kadai bantungno da Jingtokit jong Central Bureau of Investigation kenang ba Jingshisha kan pau bat banlap ye beriu kibadon kti.
Kani Jingkynnoh Bamsap Pyrshah ek Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalami no Secretary All India Congress Committee Zenit Sangma Uberu MLA Jongkarang Sakona Constituency habaikran bakilat patai kubor Badloong ru babon dengan kam Bamsap kalami na Jingpen kala jong Sorkar ki kendon trekam tang banyo luti na kipat ba syak pelala jong Kawai na ki jersey bala saidu ne unong elam ke Kongres kadi Jing thiet ek smart meter ba ars pa klur tengka bala bay daka Asian Development Bank badong bahagian ke projek ke Sorkar kala penkelai ke kendon tang ban penyo kontrak yang kawai ke company bertip kum ka Satnam Global Infra Project Limited kabala penkiu ru ya kedor da khat pra na ksispa kabamut bagajela kan hapsiu tam hadu lai pun ru klur tengka
For the supply of Asian Development Bank funded smart meters. Again, there has been lots of irregularities, lots of anomalies being found. The conditions in the tender process have been met in such a way wherein only one bidder will qualify. So here we have found only single bidder being qualified to execute the work of around 200 crores. And that too, which is not surprise anymore for us, 18% above the estimated cost. The question of enhancing the original estimated cost amounting to 36 crores would not have been there. So when the state is facing with lots of financial crunch, when the state is not in a position to give the salary of different employees in different sectors, when the power in the power sector, the MSL itself is not being able to give salaries to its employees till date, this money is being drained out because of the fact that the very purpose is to fulfill the greed of very few.
Sa kawai pat Jingpen kiu dor ban mentoi ki kato kani ha Tnad Bording loong Zenit Sangma kadai halor ka Ganal Hydroelectric Project ha Rilom Garo kaba ulakno ba kadon Jingpen kiu biang sa sispa asan pui klur tengka na kador balabo tang na kidau ke bampoi perkhat na Jinglong ka khendo ne ka jaka batrai ne kata ka geological surprise.
The level of work wherein there can be any geological surprise have already crossed. The construction of tunnel has been already over. The construction which are required to be done under surface, that means underground, has already been over. Now only superstructure, the construction of superstructure is being left out. So how there can be geological surprise? Just tell me. So here also 151 crores are being enhanced, and who is from where it is getting? This public money only. So here also with by making different excuses, they are finding ways and means to extract money and loot the public money. The objective of
Lyngba ka Saubhagya scheme ke Sorkar pedeng ketemu ban penio Bording lut hakisnong kitau baro jongkari India. Ha Meghalaya ru kini scheme kala trekam Henry Zenit Sangma ulakno baleo kontrak biang da Satnam Global Infra Project Private Limited bat ka company Onicon na Mumbai. Yaki kam ke bahe ala IT shekini company ha ka ba Satnam katre hi benta harilom khasi jantia bat ka Onicon harilom garo. Unu hek ke Kongres ulakno bahagani ke scheme kala don biang ke Jingpen kiu na kador balabo kabalong hado sanpuwe na shispa ne shispa prapo klur tengka namar lepen kiu na kador ke badan menta. Henry ke jingpen kiau ke long tang yakini company ke bar jela kat bai ke kontraktor jeng ke jela la penek kumjo. Nalor kan ye ulong balashna yaki kendon hakat kerukom bak onikon kan omla bantrei bat kan ye ke company kala eno eka kam tang hadian ke jingtrei balai pon ke sispa. Bat eka kam la IT batch ke company satnam. Henry ke company onikon shem la dan kuna ne pensitom Henry la sio batch ke pisa bak la dak trei.
When the infrastructural component of work has been awarded to two big companies from the outside the state of Meghalaya, they have awarded it at 51% above the schedule rate. And for 100 local contractors, the work was awarded as at par the schedule rate. Just imagine. The schedule rate is same of the same year for all the components of the work. But then the question arises, when the local contractors up to the number of 100 which they selected could be given at par schedule of rates, why then the infrastructural component of work should be given at 51% above the schedule of rate? Thereby, when 51% has been increased above the estimated cost, it was around 180 crores extra money being required for the payment.
Uni unang ilam ke Kongres ula ke noru bagajin Bamsap jang Sorkar ke lapau na ke skim map ya ke bai Bording balai pau na ke sispa na ke benta ki bill light ki barim hadu ubnai leber arhajar arpau. Habo ong bagani garai jang Sorkar ke datang ke buit banyarab ki karkhana ki bapensa ke bill light de ki pau klur tengka. Uang bagani garai jang Sorkar kan wanra ke jing donong ke bajan kot adu news pak klur tengka ya ke Tnad Bording jang ke jela.
The amount is coming up to around 700 crores. Is it not a big amount? 700 crores. So when it is worked out, almost 50%, just little above the quantum of power being consumed by the domestic consumers is being consumed by the industries. Maybe 50 to 48%, 52% may be consumed by the industries. So these industries, they are making money. They are earning. But then, okay, if it is domestic consumers, those who are at the mercy as to how to give the payment of the outstanding dues, if it is waived for the domestic consumers, we are not against it. But why the industries also should be included? The commercial entities. There is some malafide intention, my dear friends.
Habakali Janet sangma uloong bagseng Kongres ke dawajur badai banpa tokit igni kam Bamsap jang ke Tnad Bording ha ke Central Bureau of Investigation CBI. Nrei uong balada ke CBI kam yo alat ban tokit ki kiti jong ke an ki dai ki bejrong bat ki batrekam. Bat kajing shisha kan sapauhi ha ko bigesngi. Uloong balada ke Kongres kawan biang ha ke Borsen Syara ke senam arhajar arpulai klempep ke Sorkar Kongres kan sapa tokit ke CBI yakini ki jersey jong ke Sorkar MDA.
In Ganol Power Project, 151 crores. Under Sobhagya scheme, another 180 crores. Here again, ADB funded smart meter supply, another 36 crores. And in Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Jyoti Yojana, another 4.5 crores. Small or big, they are not sparing. So it is very dangerous, my dear friends. In just one power department, scam after scam, scam after scam. So we want justice on this. We demand an independent inquiry into this. If they don't do, when the time comes, somebody else will do. And the people who are involved in this criminal conspiracy will have to be booked under the provision of the law of the land.